time of like the time of King Lancelot, parang ganun, or Lancelot. Sir Andrew pangalan niya. So pag tinatawag siya ng teacher, sir, may sir na siya agad. Sir Andrew. Ang loko-loko ng batch namin yun eh. Napakaloko. Ayaw kay Junior kasi baka pag initan, marami kaaway. Asawa ko sa ano? Ayaw kay Junior kasi baka pag initan, marami kaaway. Asawa. Ako pwede din. Actually, yung time naman kasi ng Junior yun eh. Ako nga, I'm happy that I'm not named Junior eh. Pero since parang hawi ko raw dati yung tatay ko, parang ang palayo ko, parang ganun na rin. Pero my name isn't really the same exact name as my father. Good thing. Kahit na, usually kasi yung sa batch nila, di ba before those 30 years, 40 years, or 50 years before, whenever they got a son, here, I'm talking about here, the scenario here as May, they usually named it before the husband, so it became Junior. And then some families they continue the trend, so third, fourth, fifth. Okay, I'm back. Ayan. Pero I have never seen someone that's the norm here, as me. That's the norm here. Pero I have never seen a lady here na junior. Di pa ako nakita ng junior. Alam mo ba, idol, i-junior ako ng tatay ko kasi, ayan nga, ng tatay ko kasi gusto niya akong gawing lalaki kasi babae kami lahat. Sales, sana name ko ngayon. Okay, Frances, Asme. Ayan, thank you, Asme. So, the time Asme is 11 a.m. 12 p.m. Madam Ning, shout out. Thank you, Madam Ning. Umabot ka, Madam Ning. Ayan, salamat guys. Pasalamatan naman natin. Thank you sa nakabidyo guys ha. Nawala si Ninya. Ayan, Ninya Claire, thank you for staying. Elenita. Salamat po. Madam Ning, gising ka pa? O, saan ka naglalagay, Madam Ning? Thank you, Madam Ning. Present in your live stream. Yeah. Usually Monday to Friday. Parfois, je fais du live stream avec de la musique. Gano'n ba siya?
Parfois, je fais du live stream avec de la musique.
Oh, di ba? Tama ako magbasa, guys. May potential ako dito, ah. Parfois, je fais du live stream avec de la musique. Para ako German magbasa.
Parfois, je fais du live stream avec de la musique.
Ayun nga, ang galing ko, ah. Huli, hindi ako tinuruan, guys, ah. France, KSA, shoutout. Pwede, parang may potential ako dito, ah. Sabi ko na talaga, alien ako, eh.